Hi all. So today again I welcome you on my channel codingmente.com. So today we will be discussing about built-in exceptions in Python. So Python already gives some built-in exceptions that we can use to raise the exception according to the particular scenario. Let's suppose today we will be discussing um, arithmetic error in Python. So this is also one of the built-in exception in Python. So what does this exception does? The base class for those built-in exceptions that are raised for various arithmetic errors like zero division error, overflow error or floating point error. Let's suppose you were let us see the practical example before I explain that what this error does. Let's suppose we have uh, opted that a customer can give us two numbers and we need to do the divisions of that number. So for that, first we need to take input from the user. So let's say number one will be equal to input and enter the first number. Then number two will be equal to input. Make sure that if you are using Python 2, then use row underscore input. If you are using Python version 3, then use input only. Enter the second number. Okay. So now we will create one function. So how we can create a function? By using the def keyword. Def, let's say div function, div function, and here I need to pass two numbers a comma b. Okay, so what this function will do, it will first we will add try except block. In try it will try to divide the number, so we will give result will be equal to a divided by b. Before we do this division, so we need to first see if a number is divisible by if the number that is to be divided should not be a zero. So we will write try. Okay, so either we can give like this. I will show you first this method, then we will raise the try, then give the except block, except arithmetic error. So now we will print that this is the arithmetic error as the number a cannot be divided by number 0. So the zero division error will come only when the number b will be 0. So for that we will raise this exception. Let us call this function. So in Python how we call this function? By just giving the div, and we will give number 1 comma number 2. Okay, so control S. Now the thing is that we cannot run here in Sublime Text, so we need to open the CMD for that. So first we will go over the CMD, then CD, whatever the path would be there. Before we can find the path from here also. So resumes, okay, Python file, we will write CMD here. Okay, so now we need to run our file, that is Python arithmetic error.py. Let's see. Okay, first I need to give one number 23, second number is 45. So it is Okay, so whatever the input we are giving, it is in string format. First we need to convert that into an integer format, then only this error can come, because divisions can be done in integers, not in strings. So again we will run the code. Okay, let's say 34 2. Okay, so we are not printing any result here, so it might be the case, that's why the result is not coming. Again we will run. First number 22, second number 2. Okay, so 11.0 is the answer. Now we will again try to run this code, but this time we will give first number 22, second number as 0. Let's see. Okay, so that is the arithmetic error, as the number a cannot be divided by number 0. So this is how arithmetic error works. Hope you all understand. In case if you have any issue, just comment below so that I can help you, and please subscribe so that I can make more videos like this. Thank you.